Hi everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you how to connect Google Drive to YouTube using Zapier. This automation will make your upload smoother, save you time, and let you focus more on creating content. First, open your web browser and go to Zapier's homepage. Zapier is a tool that connects different apps and automates workflows. Next, create a new Zap. A Zap is simply an automated workflow that links apps together. In the search bar, look for the integration called Connect Google Drive and YouTube. Once you find it, click Add All Steps to Zap. This will automatically set up the essential steps you need. Now, choose your trigger event. For example, you can set the trigger to run whenever a new file is added to your Google Drive. That way, each time you upload a video file, Zapier will know to send it directly to YouTube. After that, sign in to both your Google Drive and YouTube accounts. Grant the necessary permissions so Zapier can connect securely with your accounts. Next, customize the YouTube upload settings. You can define the video title, description, and privacy level to match your preferences. Before going live, test the Zap to make sure everything works correctly. Running a quick simulation helps confirm that your files will transfer smoothly. Finally, publish the Zap. Once activated, every new video in your Google Drive will automatically upload to YouTube without any extra effort from you. And that's it. You've successfully connected Google Drive to YouTube with Zapier. This integration will save you valuable time and keep your workflow running efficiently.